Hello and welcome to WebJek. In this video today, I will be guiding you step by step how to sign up with Amazon affiliate account. The most useful process so you can start making money with Amazon's affiliate program. I will explain how to sign up with Amazon affiliate account and how to start marketing Amazon's products to make money as well. Let's get started. Click this link to join with Amazon affiliate account. Click this link to join. Click to create your Amazon account. Provide your name, email and password. Re-enter your password and click to create your Amazon account. Here you provide pay name, address, city, zip code, and who is the main contact for this account. So it must be the pay listed above. That must be you. Then click next. Here enter your website URL. And if you have mobile apps, you can add it here. If you also have a YouTube account, YouTube channel link, you can add it here. View of any website or mobile listed above directed primarily at children under 13. This website and mobiles apps are not eligible to display banners, widgets, special links or other ads for Amazon associates. You are required to declare this information. So click No to continue. Here you can enter what are your website or mobile apps. Primary topics, secondary topics, what are the following topics best describe your website, what type of Amazon item you intend to sell. Select all those, apply here. And traffic and monetization. How would you drive traffic to your website? Enter CAPTCHA here and then click next. Here you can add your phone number, then click call me. And you will need to enter this number when they call you. congratulations, and then click to finish. And after that, enter your payment and tax information. You can click for later. Now you have successfully created Amazon affiliate account and got your Amazon affiliate ID. So once you get your Amazon associate ID and your account get successfully created and get approved, you will receive this Amazon Stripe when you go on Amazon.com website. So if you want to promote any products, you can type right here. For example, digital camera. Once you get all these products, select any product you want to promote. You want to sell on any of your website, on your YouTube video, or any social media page like Facebook, Twitter, or anywhere you can add the link. So you can click this camera, then right here click on text. This is your link to promote. If you want a full link, you can click right here. But I recommend a short link would be better. You copy this link, paste on any notepad, then copy the product name, title, so you can remember, and you can add any extra description or anything you want to add, or you can copy some description from here, highlight some and paste it on the notepad. Then this link, this text, you can paste on any of your social media page, any video, anywhere you can click that link and buy the product, and you will get the commission. This is the way you can make commission with or without website. You need to get the link for all individual product. On my next video, I will show you how to add Amazon product automatically on your website. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification, so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. I wish you best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.